Yahweh said to Rael, "There is an important revelation which you may now make." The Jewish people are our direct descendants on earth. That is why a specific destiny is reserved for them. They are the descendants of the sons of Elohim and the daughters of men, as mentioned in Genesis. The original mistake was to have mated with their scientific creations. That is why they have suffered for such a long time. But for them, the time of forgiveness has come, and they will now be able to live peacefully in the recovered country, unless they make another mistake in not recognizing our messenger. We wish our embassy on earth to be built in Israel on a tract of land given to you by the government. If they refuse, you may build it elsewhere, and Israel will undergo a new punishment for not having recognized our messenger. Tonight at 9 o'clock in the evening, I will explain this in my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng.